On this special webinar with ARA Connect Virtual Rolling Conference, you will discover high-performance habits for music educators and monetize your passion and find fulfillment all in one. You can use these techniques to build your students' confidence and engage them in record time. Increase your stick rate on students' intake and even quickly get your students be excited about your class, that they are motivated to practice and develop their skills. I will also show you how to develop high-performance habits for music educators and put yourself on the fast track. In fact, here is an outline of this incredible webinar. Escape the pain of self-doubt, identify your limiting beliefs that potentially leads to self-sabotage. Insider's Guide to Connecting and Engaging Students on their learning journey. 3 biggest high-performance coaching mistakes that music educators make. And 3 no-hype ways to use high-performance coaching to navigate through an unregulated, free market music industry and to build a listing on autopilot. Specific building blocks, tips and tools that you can use immediately, even before the webinar is even over, and much more. So don't miss this breakthrough webinar that will show you the 5 rule breakers in monetizing your passion and finding fulfillment all in one. Hi, my name is Sharon, founder of Jan Brave. I'm a certified high-performance coach with High Performance Institute. I bring with me close to 20 years of hands-on experience working with children and teens from all around the world. Parents and children have used my framework. I have worked with several highly respected institutions. Here at Jan Brave, we provide corporate training, services, and motivational courses. We offer productive action steps for building a life of significance, creating joy, passion, and living a purpose-driven life to achieve the fullness of your potential. By the way, if you want to know about creating, positioning yourself, and what's a hit secrets, register now for this brand new webinar that I'm doing, the Music Educator's Guide to High Performance Habits. So don't miss this and register now. And I shall see you on 11th of September, Monday at 7:30 p.m. Singapore time. See ya.